Hello, my name is Adam Gonzalez, and this video is to show you how to use my Windows application I have developed, the charity application. This is the final project for my Management 330 Business Applications Programming class. So let's get started. I developed this app for the purpose of easy customizability. I chose the charity application because I was attending a charity event and I found that people were donating, but there was no real way to log who had donated. People just kind of put money into a bucket. It was a charity dance, and there was no real accountability on the part of the organization receiving the donations to log them, to write a thank you, or whatever purposes they may have. People do like to donate anonymously. However, this would allow for a database to log those charities. This app is also designed for business purposes. It can be easily tailored to allow a company or a business to display their products, calculate a total, and log a sale. So let's get started. This is the main page, and then I have the links to my 4 different pages here. The first one is the charity info. So this is the one where I would call my product display or display page. In this page, I have displayed the 3 charities that I have picked for the purposes of this project, and given basically a brief synopsis, if you will, of the different charities, mission statement, what they're about, so people know what they're donating to. The information on here was from mostly from Wikipedia, which I have cited in the little inserts. Basically just gives the user the ability to read up on what they're donating. If you wanted to use this in a business realm, this would be the page where you would display your products. You could put multiple things, your services, explain what the services do, put pricing, whatever they wanted to do. So that's this page. The next page I have is the calculate a donation page. This page was designed using object-oriented programming. So if the user wanted to create a calculator, a register calculator, or maybe a simple calculator, tax calculator, all you would need to do is insert the formulas into the library and then have it pull into this page. For purposes of this application and to meet the requirements of the final project, I went ahead and made a donation calculation page. So basically what the user can do is they can calculate their donation on a monthly basis or calculate monthly payments over time and find out what they would be donating total. So an example would be, let's say I wanted to donate $70 a month for 60 months or 5 years. We go ahead and click the monthly to total and press get total, and you would see that after the 5 years we would have given $4,200. Let's say now that I wanted to donate $5,000, but I didn't want to donate it right away. Let's say I wanted to donate it over the course of 2 years or 24 months. So I put in my $5,000 in donation, I put in the number of months, and then I go from total to monthly, and I would find out that my payment would be $208.33, would get me $5,000 donated in 2 years. This page was developed with input handling. So let's say that someone writes happy instead of a number. What's going to happen is we're going to get an error saying that it's invalid. The invalid entry will turn red, and that would allow the user to know, okay, I need to update this. So we'll update back to 5,000. Let's say we want to change this to hello. Again, same thing. Invalid. The box that is invalid turns red, and the user knows I have put in an invalid entry. Change this back to 24, and we go back to our 208. So this page can be changed based on the needs of the not the user, but I guess the user, the business that wants to use it. So let's say, for example, you wanted to calculate tax for customers, or customers want to calculate a total. You could easily add a text box, more text boxes as well as text blocks. I've created styles, so all you would have to do is select the style and have the different inputs that you would need. Additionally, you would have to update the code in the object library and then pull it in to the code on this page and customize however to fit the needs of whatever the business may have. So the next page is the donate page. So let's say that the user came through, they looked at a donation, they said, okay, I want to donate to the American Heart Association. They went and they calculated a donation, they found out what they can afford, or they wanted to calculate a lump sum, and they decided they wanted to donate. Well, here is where they would do that. So let's see, we'll say Joseph Grant wants to donate. So we will go ahead and put his address. Let's say he lives at 7583 Mockingbird Lane, Logan, New Mexico, 78458 zip code, arbitrary information, of course. Let's say that they wanted to donate to the American Red Cross. And would he like to donate monthly? No, he wants to go ahead and donate a lump sum. The amount would be, let's say $2,000. They enter all this information, hit enter, and then it is entered into the database. So at this time, the administrator of the charity would say, okay, Mr. Grant has let us know that he wants to donate. He's given us his address and information. Oops, I did New Mexico in lowercase. He's indicated that he wants to donate to the American Red Cross. He wants to pay in full, and he would like to donate $2,000. So the administrator would say, okay, we'll go ahead and send him a bill. We have all the information we need. Send him a bill expressing that he wanted to make this donation and allow the different payment options. So that's basically what it does. Additionally, it allows people to, oftentimes when people donate, they donate in the name of somebody, they donate in the honor of a company, or excuse me, the honor of somebody, or in the name of a company, or whatever. So this allows people to display what they have given, who they have given in the name of, and what charity they've given to. So that's basically it. Again, customizability, if I had the capabilities, it would be nice to be able to put a charge on here, maybe interact with PayPal, put a Visa, MasterCard, allow the user to go ahead and make their payment right away. We would then add a column here saying paid in full, payment amount, and basically make it easier on the customer. If you want to do this from a business sense, this could be double as a sales log. So let's say that you're selling, I don't know, furniture. We would have, the name, the address, the product, maybe not a drop down, maybe not a combo box here, but an open box, or maybe a combo box showing all the products, payment form, and then payment amount. And then we would have here our sales log stating basically what all we have sold for inventory purposes as well as accounting purposes. So that is basically it for the app. My theme behind it was keeping it simple. I wanted easy customizability to allow the user to change as needed based on the needs. It may not be for the purposes of a charity. It may be for a business or a small company. Online e-store may want a register type interface to allow the customer to make a purchase, or perhaps the business wants to have this for their own purposes to enter sales logs. You have one of your associates entering the different sales and keeping it in the database. They could use the calculator for simple calculations, or more complex if they needed to calculate interest. And so it can be tailored to fit the needs of any organization. So this is my application. If you have any questions, feel free to write me, arjgonzalez@comcast.net. And thank you for your time.